How to install 4-light candle cage chandelier. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Fix the iron ring on the tube with knob nut. Fix the iron ring and flat iron stent on the tube with knob nut. Screw stem onto the fixture. Pass wires through flat iron stent and loop, then tighten the loop. Attach the quick link to connect the chain and the loop. Place candle sleeves on sockets. Install bulbs. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.